let's give a big Northwest warm welcome to Vincent Hovorka.
In the past 13 years, it's now 13, I've lost over 100,000 pounds trying to succeed in business. But in the past 2 years, I really went full in, and I have managed to build 3 successful businesses, 2 of them with my business partner Andre, and we are making over 300,000 pounds every single year. 3 key main drivers which helped me the most to build my 7-figure business in just 2 years. And don't take me wrong, it wasn't all sunshines and rainbows. It was a summer 2016. I have signed up for the biggest festival ever yet with my food truck business. I didn't have the money to enter the festival. I didn't even have the money to cook all these portions what I had to do. I never hired the staff. The main thing is I took action. I went full in. I have borrowed the money, I've hired the staff, and I have cooked these 1,500 portions of meals for this festival. The key driver number 1, as you can see, it's energy. How you do anything in life is how you do everything. Try to remember a moment in your life when your energy was low. How was that day looking for you? So I've turned up full of energy, full of enthusiastic, and the same day. And we made more money than the first day, and it was 1,200 pounds. Sunday came. I wasn't full of energy anymore, you can imagine. I've turned up on this festival and this guy in Yellow West, and he looked at me. Sorry, we are closing the venue because of high winds. I closed my food truck. I was driving home. While I was driving, boom, accident. And compare it to the moment when you felt unstoppable. You were full of energy, you were playing level energy number 10. Nothing could stop you. If somebody would tell you that it's not impossible, you said, no, I'll do it. I'm sure you can think of both moments, the low and the heights. But if you want to build a business and live the life on your terms, energy is everything. You cannot just hang around and see what's gonna happen. You need to do it and act now. With the energy level number 10, please, everybody stand up and say yes. Give yourself a, turn to the partner, tell him he's amazing or she's amazing, you are amazing. Nothing happened to me. But all the food which was in the food truck was smashed, which I thought I'll save for the next event. I've come home and from the door, walk out my wife, I cried. I didn't cry because I've just lost 3,000 pounds. I didn't cry because I've lost all the food I could save. I started crying because I've just spent 60 hours preparing for the event, being there, but not making any money and making loss, and not having the time with my loved ones. What is your reason? Why are you here today? Why are you doing what you are doing? But without energy, nothing will work. Without reasons, you're not going to achieve anything. You need to have a reason. I see so many people starting businesses, but they are just doing it for money. They are just doing it for the wrong reasons. And if you build a business for the wrong reasons, it's not going to last. Without action, nothing will ever work. You now know your reasons, or at least you will when you'll finish writing them down. You now have the energy inside of you to do it. But now you need to take action. Because without action, nothing will ever work. Life will never bring you anything on the silver platter. If you want something in life, you need to go for it. You need to grab it. The opportunities are everywhere. So if you want to grab the opportunity, it's right over here. It's knowing your value. You need to know how valuable you are in your business. Because once you find out that, you'll realize that you don't need to do all the tasks in your business. There are other people who can do it. And sometimes it can be scary. But once you realize your value, it's going to massively help you to build your businesses.